Hello students, welcome to Maluka Academy. We are continuing with the chapter Chemical Reaction and Equations. In this chapter of Chemical Reaction and Equations, we have already completed so far the definition of chemical reactions, how the chemical reaction takes place, and why the chemical reactions occur. Now we are continuing with the topic that is types of chemical equation, and in types of chemical equation हमने discuss कर लिया था कौन कौन से types of chemical equations होते हैं, and we had so far completed up the combination reactions. Combination reactions, and this part is done. In this we have seen that when we take a burner and burn a magnesium ribbon holding with the help of pair of tongs, ये हमारा मैग्नीशियम रिबन है, this is tongs, this is burner. Whenever we hold the magnesium ribbon with the help of tongs and we burn it up under the burner, it burns up with a dazzling white flame, and turns into a white powder, and this powder is known as magnesium oxide, and this is a kind of combination reaction in which the magnesium and oxygen combines to form the magnesium oxide. Students, now let us go to our next type of chemical reaction, and that is the decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. The next type of chemical reaction is the decomposition reaction. So students, this is a kind of reaction in which something decomposes, or we can say a single substance decomposes, to form two or more substances. This word decomposition has been taken up from the word decompose, and the meaning of decompose is to break. The meaning of the decompose word is to break. Thus, the decomposition reaction is a reaction. Thus, I can write that decomposition reaction is a reaction in which a substance breaks off to form than one substance. This is the decomposition reaction. The decomposition generally takes place when energy comes in some forms. We can write as, we can rub this activity. That was just to recapitulate you the example of combination reactions. तो इसको हम कर देते हैं rub, erase. As decomposition means to break off. In this reaction, breaking of bonds take place. In this reaction, breaking of bonds take place. Whenever the bonds are broken, it consumes energy. Whenever bonds are broken, they consume energy. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, जो कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन थे उसमें क्या हो रहा था, कोई भी चीज़ फॉर्म हो रही थी, इट वॉज कंबाइनिंग, द ब्रेक्स वर बीइंग फॉर्म्ड. H2 से O2 से क्या हो रहे हैं, वाटर की फॉर्मेशन हो रही है. जब वाटर की फॉर्मेशन हो रही है, दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन एंड थस वाटर फॉर्मेशन इज टेकिंग प्लेस. This is the thing. Now, what can you talk about the next kind of reaction? Next kind of thing is that whenever bonds are broken, they consume energy. And in the decomposition reaction, bonds are being broken up. So, जब भी bond break हो रहे हैं, they consume energy. Thus, in order to make the decomposition reaction occur, the energy is needed. This is the main and the basic necessity of a decomposition reaction, that there is the need of energy. There is the need of energy. Energy is needed in order for decomposition reaction to take place. So we can write off that the decomposition reaction occurs generally when, we can write with the help of the red marker, decomposition reactions takes place only when the energy is given in some form. And this energy can be the heat energy, the electrical energy, or the light energy. This energy can be the heat energy, the electrical energy or the light energy. स्टूडेंट्स देखो, केमिस्ट्री के अंदर कोई भी चीज़ टूट रही है, उसको टूटने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी चाहिए. मुझे कोई चीज़ को तोड़ना है, मुझे बॉन्ड्स को ब्रेक करना है, तो मुझे एनर्जी चाहिए उसको तोड़ने के लिए. ठीक है, अगर कोई बॉन्ड फॉर्म हो रहे हैं तो उसके लिए एनर्जी क्या होगी, रिलीज ऑफ होगी. लेकिन अगर कोई बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो रहे हैं तो एनर्जी क्या होगी, फॉर्म, एब्जॉर्ब होगी, एब्जॉर्ब. तो वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट इन हेयर absorption of energy takes place in a decomposition reaction. We can write here absorption of energy takes place in a decomposition reaction. In a decomposition reaction, absorption of energy takes place. Now let us read about some of the, देखो, heat energy. Whenever a decomposition reaction takes place in the presence of heat, this kind of reaction is known as thermal decomposition, because the word for heat is thermal, and thermal decomposition is the word given to the reaction that takes place or that decomposes in the presence of heat. Whenever the decomposition takes place with the uses of electrical energy, this thing is known as the electrical decomposition. And whenever the light is used as the source of energy for the product to decompose into some of the chemicals, then that kind of reaction is known as the photochemical decomposition. Photochemical decomposition. So this is the main thing. Now let us have some of the examples of the thermal decomposition. पहले आपको एक इस चीज़ की पिक्टोरल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ज़रूरी है. Let me explain you this thing with the help of a pictorial representation. Okay students, तो हो क्या रहा है? There are bonds. This bond is known as the single bond. This bond is known as the double bond. This bond is, this bond is known as the triple bond. Triple bond, and this bond is known as the double bond. So energy is required in one form or the other form. We can write it up here as energy. We can write it up here as energy to break these bonds. This energy can come from the source of light. As we know, light is the source of energy. Light can give this energy. Heat can give this energy. And directly the electricity, that is protons or electrons, they can give this energy. If light is providing this energy, then the reaction is known as the photochemical reaction. If the heat is providing this energy, then this reaction is known as the thermal reaction. And if the electricity is providing this energy, this reaction is known as the electrical reaction, that is electrical decomposition. We know heat is a form of energy, light is a form of energy, and electricity is also a form of energy. So this energy can be given to the reaction in any form, and thus the decomposition reactions are being categorized into three further categories. The first category is the thermal decomposition, second category is the electrical decomposition, and third category is the photochemical decomposition. हमें ये चीज़ भी पता है कि the energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. एनर्जी को ना हम क्रिएट कर सकते हैं और ना ही हम डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकते हैं. इट कैन ओनली बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू वन फॉर्म टू अनदर फॉर्म. इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी क्या करता है, अपनी एनर्जी दिस रिएक्शन को दे देता है सो दैट द रिएक्शन इज एबल टू अकर. फोटोकेमिकल एनर्जी अपनी एनर्जी दे देता है इस रिएक्शन को सो दैट रिएक्शन कैन अकर. थर्मल डिकम्पोजिशन या हीट है वो अपनी एनर्जी दे देती है इस रिएक्शन को सो दैट रिएक्शन कैन अकर. नाउ लेट अस हैव द एग्जांपल्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस कैटेगरीज. The first reaction is thermal decomposition. The second reaction is photochemical decomposition. And the third reaction is electrical decomposition. आपका ये डिकम्पोजिशन का क्वेश्चन 5 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन में आ सकता है. एक्सप्लेन डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन with its categories and examples. So first thing is whenever the heat is provided to something, it gets converted into CaCO3, CaO plus CO2. This is the quick line. Next reaction is the photochemical reaction. And next reaction is electrical decomposition. It is telling that electricity is given. We can write it up the conditions as in here. Thermal decomposition is occurring whenever we give the heat to the product and it is breaking down into the reactants. And in the first case, the reactants are quicklime and carbon dioxide. The second kind of chemical reaction is taking place. Let me write it up here, the carbon dioxide. The second kind of chemical reaction is taking place when we are giving it a kind of light that has energy, and sunlight is the prior-most kind or form of energy that is provided to the earth people. Next thing is of sunlight. Whenever the energy is provided in the form of sunlight to the substances like AgCl, that is silver chloride. In the presence of sunlight, the silver chloride breaks down into the silver and chlorine differently. Silver and chlorine. कभी भी अब देखना सिल्वर क्लोराइड को आप धूप में रख रहे हो तो वो क्या हो जाएगी, वो डिकम्पोज हो जाएगी. कैसे डिकम्पोज हो जाएगी? बिकॉज सनलाइट, द रेज ऑफ द सन आर हैविंग सम काइंड ऑफ energy that are breaking up the bonds of silver and chlorine, and they are decomposing the silver chloride into the silver and the chloride separately. Next and the last type is electrical decomposition. Electrical decomposition is taking place with the help of the electric current. Whenever we give the electric current to water, we can say this as electrical decomposition. Water को जब भी हम electricity देते हैं, it gets decomposed into its constituent component, that is hydrogen and oxygen. So these are the examples of different kinds of decomposition reaction that occurs with the help of different source of energy. Now let me write you up two more examples, that is these are the first examples of electrical and thermal decomposition. Next examples can be FeSO4. Whenever it's provided with heat, it breaks down into Fe, SO3 and SO. FeSO4. Basically we can write it here as 2Fe SO3 and SO2. We are going to balance the reaction as further. 2O plus 6, they are 8 and 10. Here are 8. We can balance the reaction as okay, we can write it as FeO. So this is the final reaction that can take place with the help of thermal decomposition, and the next reaction in the case of photochemical decomposition is as AgBr. It breaks up into Ag plus Br2. The reaction is going to be this is the final reaction. Okay. Okay students, so that was all about the decomposition reactions, and we are going to further read about more about the decomposition reaction in the next class. Till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day. Please visit the description box for the link of the notes. Thank you.